Whether you're looking to squeeze even more versatility when it comes to mounting your Ace Pro 2 along with external accessories, or you're just after a little added protection, Insta360 have you covered with this, the Ace Pro Utility Frame. Insta360 worked alongside popular accessory manufacturer SmallRig for this frame, a company that's well known for producing other high quality cages for various cameras and accessories that we've taken a look at in the past. So SmallRig definitely seems to be a good choice here. While Insta360's Ace Pro 2 is a tough and relatively rugged action camera, depending upon your use case scenario, a little extra protection can never hurt. And that's exactly what we have here with this utility cage. Constructed of aluminum alloy, which not only makes it super strong and robust, but also helps to keep weight to a bare minimum too, we have a nice solid structure here. Sporting both the Insta360 as well as SmallRig branding, this tough metal frame aims to add complete protection to the camera. The front of the frame is where you'll find the Insta360 logo, above which is a small latch that can be lifted in order to release the side door. This provides ample space for the camera to slide straight in, after which the door can be raised and pushed to lock into place. Note this frame is compatible with the original Ace Pro as well as the Ace Pro 2 we have here, and with it locked into position it fits very secure, no wiggle room or any other movement whatsoever. With the frame in place then, we do of course maintain easy access to all buttons as well as the microphones. Nothing is covered or hidden away. It even works around the rear screen release buttons and top hinge, so you're able to reposition the rear screen wherever you like. Again, no issues there either. The side door covering the USB port and memory card slot is also accessible, and while the battery door is completely covered, press a small button on the front corner and it releases so that you have easy access to the battery cover too. That's actually a nice added touch, since whereas this could have been left free and completely open like the USB door, that would have wasted all the space on this side. With this solution we can still use the side for mounting, which we'll come back to in just a moment. In this default form then, we now have these two cold shoe mounting points for adding external microphones, lights or other accessories. When it comes to mounting, the frame provides extra options here too. We do of course maintain access to the quick release mounting point on the bottom, which is compatible with the standard mount, as well as the quick release mount, which is my personal favourite. I like the attention to detail here too, the way the frame provides space to flick that locking switch on the mount for instance, a nice added touch. Anyways, covering the battery door completely means we also have an additional mounting point on this side, very handy for switching between horizontal to vertical mounting. Of course, you won't be able to use the small cold shoe mount in this orientation, but it's still a very handy addition for those who like to shoot in portrait orientation for the likes of Instagram or TikTok. You'll also find a 2-prong adapter included in the package, along with a hex wrench. This can be securely attached to the bottom, meaning the camera can now be used with your fingerstyle mounts as normal, or can also be attached to the side for vertical use too. It is a little extra faffing around with small screws and the wrench to get into place, so not quick release, but if you're heavily invested into the fingerstyle mounting ecosystem, it's a very useful addition. All in all then, with a secure buckle design for quick and convenient installation, a completely open design for access to all controls, that flexibility in mounting horizontally and vertically, even a button to open one side of the frame to swap out the battery in a flash, all go into making this utility frame a really nice accessory to add to your original Ace Pro or Ace Pro 2. The fit and finish is superb, no issues there at all. While the utility cage will offer some added protection, this is limited due to the open and accessible design, so while I wouldn't purchase this just for added protection alone, when you add the extra versatility and flexibility that comes along with it thanks to the additional mounting point as well as accessory connection options, the Insta360 utility frame is certainly worth a look.